Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel, Mr. Smart. Today our discussion is about personal transformation. We're joined by two amazing individuals who will share their insights and experiences on this topic. Our first guest is Mr. Smart, who is an expert on personal transformation and has helped countless individuals make positive changes in their lives. Hi Mr. Smart, very happy to welcome you.
Hi everyone. Thanks Maya.
And our second guest is John, who has personally gone through his own personal transformation journey and has some amazing stories to share with us. Hi John. Thanks for joining.
Hi everyone. Thanks Maya.
Mr. Smart, can you start by telling us what personal transformation means to you?
Sure. Personal transformation is the process of making significant changes in our life, whether it's in our mindset, habits, beliefs, or actions. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and living a more fulfilling life.
That sounds really inspiring. John, have you ever experienced personal transformation in your life?
Yes, I have. A few years ago, I realized that I wasn't living the life I wanted. I was unhappy with my job, my relationships, and myself. So, I decided to make some changes. I started by setting goals for myself and planning to achieve them. I also sought out help from a therapist and started reading books on personal development.
That's great to hear. What were some of the biggest challenges you faced during your transformation journey?
One of the biggest challenges was overcoming my limiting beliefs. I had a lot of negative self-talk that was holding me back from achieving my goals. I had to learn how to reframe my thoughts and focus on positive self-talk. Another challenge was finding the motivation to keep going when things got tough. But, I found that surrounding myself with supportive people and reminding myself of my why kept me going.
Those are some great insights. Mr. Smart, what advice would you give to someone who wants to start their own personal transformation journey?
My advice would be to start by identifying what you want to change and why. Then, make a plan and set small, achievable goals to help you get there. It's also important to be kind to yourself and recognize that change takes time. And finally, don't be afraid to seek out help and support from others.
Mr. Smart, I completely agree. Having a support system has been so important for me. It's helpful to have someone to hold you accountable and cheer you on. Thank you, Maya.
Mr. Smart and John, thank you for sharing your insights and experiences on personal transformation. It's been a great discussion, and I hope our listeners have found it helpful. Today, we've learned that personal transformation is all about making significant changes in our lives and becoming the best version of ourselves. We've heard from Mr. Smart, who is an expert on this topic, and John, who shared his own personal transformation journey. Some of the key takeaways from our discussion include identifying what you want to change and why, setting small achievable goals, being kind to yourself, and seeking out help and support from others.
So, to all our viewers out there, we hope that this conversation has inspired you to start your own personal transformation journey. Remember, it's never too late to make a change and become the best version of yourself.
So, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have a lot of exciting content coming up on personal development and other topics, and we want you to be a part of our community. And if you have any suggestions for future topics or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye everyone.